Hello everyone, welcome back to Let Us Master English. We are going to learn how to write letter of inquiry in this video. This question appears in the writing section of classes 10th, 11th and 12th and is the task 1 of IELTS general training as well. In 10th class, letter of inquiry carries 8 marks. And this question is for 6 marks in classes 11th and 12th. We will discuss the format of inquiry letter and a few tricks to frame an inquiry letter. After watching this video, you will be able to write a flawless letter of inquiry on your own and score full marks in your exam. Let's get started. First, let us discuss why we need to write letter of inquiry. A letter of inquiry is written to seek information for getting admission to any institute or for inquiring about any job vacancy. It is also written to know about certain products and services. Let us discuss the format of the letter. First, you have to write sender's address, means the address of the person who is writing or sending the letter. This address is most often provided in your question. After writing sender's address, leave a line. Then write date. See students, you don't have to write the word DATE date. Here you will have to write the date. For example, 15 June 2020. Again leave a line. Next, write receiver's designation. Means the person to whom you are writing the letter. It can be the director or the manager, followed by his address. After that, we write subject. Here you can write inquiry about dash. So here you may write inquiry about seeking admission or whatever is asked for in the question. Or you can also write seeking information about dash. So this dash is to be filled as per the statement of your question. Again leave one line. Then we have to write salutation. That is dear sir or ma'am. And students, left align your letter. Start each line from the margin. Don't leave any space between the margin and the first letter of your line. See students, presentation matters a lot. If your format is proper, you can create good impression on the examiner. Although you will get 1 mark for writing correct format, but once your format is correct, you will definitely score good in this question. Now, let us discuss how to write body of the letter. See students, I have made this very simple for you. Body of the letter consists of 3 paragraphs. In first paragraph, you have to write with reference to, or this is with reference to your advertisement in the Hindustan Times dated. Here you have to write the date on which the advertisement appeared regarding dash. So whatever inquiry you want to make. Second paragraph, here you can write, I am a student of class 10th or 12th. I have appeared for my board examination and I am quite confident of passing with flying colors. I am interested in pursuing a career in the field of dash. Therefore, I wish to join your coaching classes. I would be grateful if you give me the following information. So these points can be written there. Date of commencement of the course, duration of the course, fee structure, timings of weekday or weekend classes or vacation classes, transportation facilities, staff, and concession if any. So here whatever is mentioned in your paper, you can pick up those points, or otherwise you can write any 4 to 5 points here. In the third paragraph, you will have to write, I would be highly obliged if you send me the necessary information at the earliest. After leaving one line, write, looking forward to hearing from you. Next is subscription. Thanking you, yours faithfully or sincerely. And after that, you have to write your name. Whatever name is given in your question, that name you have to write here and not your name. Now students, here is a sample letter of enquiry. You are Karan or Karuna, student of class 10, residing at 23 KC Road, Barnala. So here students, the name which you have to write after yours faithfully, girls will write their name as Karuna and boys as Karan. And now sender's address is also given here. Your address is house number 23 KC Road, Barnala. You wish to join coaching classes at National Coaching Center situated in Chandigarh. Now this is the receiver's address, National Coaching Center, Chandigarh. The institute specializes in teaching science to classes 11th and 12th. Write a letter of inquiry to the director. Now the designation of the person to whom you have to write the letter is the director. So write a letter of inquiry to the director of the institute seeking information about the timings, duration, staff, transport and other necessary details for joining the institute. Now let us see how to write this letter. Following the guidelines which I have told you earlier, now you will notice how simple it is for you to write a letter of inquiry. First, the sender's address, that is 23, KC Road, Barnala. Then we leave one line, then date, 29 May 2020. After that, after leaving one line, the receiver's designation, that is the director. And students, please remember here T of the and D of director should be capital. National Coaching Center, Chandigarh. Till here you can notice that after each line we don't have to put any mark of punctuation. No comma or full stop is required here. Then we will write subject. Subject is enquiry about joining coaching classes. After that, leave one line, then dear sir or dear ma'am. Here you can put comma. See, in some of the books you may see that comma is not there, and in some of the books you will find that comma is used. So these both the formats are acceptable. Both are correct. Now, how to write body of the letter? This is with reference to your advertisement in the Hindustan Times dated 25 May 2020 regarding admission to coaching classes. Now students, because we left align our letter, then how will you differentiate between two paragraphs? So once you finish one paragraph, after that you have to leave one line, then start second paragraph. I am a student of class 10. I have appeared for my board examination and am quite confident of passing with flying colors. Passing with flying colors means passing with excellent marks. I am interested in pursuing a career in the field of medicine. Therefore, I wish to join your coaching classes. I would be greatly obliged if you give me the following information. So this you can write in points. A. Date of commencement of the course. B. Duration of the course. C. Fee structure. D. Timings of weekday or weekend classes or vacation classes. E. Transportation facilities. F. Staff. G. Concession if any. Then leave one line and write, I would be highly obliged if you send me the necessary information at the earliest. Looking forward to hearing from you soon. Thanking you, yours faithfully, Karan. So isn't it a child's play? You simply have to learn 9 to 10 lines and you will be able to score full marks in this question. Now students, thank you very much for watching my video, and for more such videos, kindly subscribe to my channel and please do not forget to press the bell icon for the latest updates, and let me remind you to like the video. Thank you.